Hello, my name is Mario Ernesto Bautista Luzardo. I am of course Valuation and Negotiation of Technology. My teacher is Danilo Cárdenas Erazo. I am of group 124. The activity which I have selected is the copyright, comprehend intellectual property, presented by Mario Ernesto Bautista Luzardo, Group 124. What is intellectual property? Intellectual property refers to creation of the means, such as invention, library, and artistic work, designs and symbols, names, and images used in commerce. What is intellectual property? The definition is the National Director of Copyright is currently located in the city of Bogotá, Colombia, at Calle 28, number 13A, 50. The floor is 17. This is the telephone. Its opening hours to the public are from 8:30 a.m. to 5 p.m. Who protects copyright in Colombia? The National Directorate of Copyright is an agency of the Colombian state which has a legal structure of special administrative units attached to the Ministry of the Interior and Justice. The Superintendence of Industry and Commerce in the National Authority for the Protection of Competition, Personal Data and Legal Metrology protects the rights of commerce and administers the national system of industrial property through the exercise of the administrative and juridical function. Example: Dinit market guayaba sandwiches for exports means such a brand must necessarily be created, and the ideal is to position in the market for which it must register so that it does not copied or generate conflict if another person registers it is as their property. The question is, how much does it cost to register a trademark in Colombia? This cost is 1,3,500 pesos. In the development of my activity, I have Iskawa diagram. This is the diagram which I have worked. This is the cause and effects with the program manner for the reach one supervision of problem. The Colombian government should increase the number of collaboration specialists in intellectual property, as well as the users of tools such as Turnitin to verify possible plagiarism. In the way it could be possible the reduce approval or disapproval times when registering a product. 2 is create campaigns at the university to create conscience in the students as well as teachers to know and understand the process and procedures of intellectual property. Thanks for watching my video. Good night.